Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to sell items on the StockX app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the StockX app. Then you will have to go to your profile, and here go to the portfolio. And if you haven't already added your items to your portfolio, you can add them by tapping here on the top right corner. And there is a short process to add items to your portfolio. If you need help with that, I have another video on this playlist. You can click on it and check it out. But if you already have your items in your portfolio, to sell them, you just have to choose one of them. And here are the sell now button on the bottom. Then just tap on it, and you can place an ask or sell now. So if you want to sell now, you have to give the price that you are trying to sell it for, or if you place an ask, you can give a minimum ask and start your listing here. Let's say $200. Review ask. Here you need your bank account details, and you can list your item on StockX. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.